Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a ring reveal from Royal Essence. This is their Island Splash Bath Bomb. And I wanted to show you their packaging because it's very unique. Other companies don't package their bath bombs like this, and I like it because in my experience I haven't received one that has become damaged in shipping. But here's the bath bomb. I was kind of skeptical about the colors. Kind of looks like the water is going to turn a mossy green color, and the yellow they used is like a mustard yellow. But you can wait to see at the end what the bath water looks like. The fragrance notes for this bath bomb are described as a fruit cocktail mixed with lily of the valley and magnolia. I definitely thought it smelled floral. I was expecting it to smell more fruity, but I smelled floral. But overall, it wasn't too bad. And with this company, you can choose what type of jewelry you want in your bath bomb. You can pick earrings, necklace, or a ring sizes 6 to 10, and you are guaranteed sterling silver. All their products are sterling silver, which is really nice because a lot of the other companies do not offer that. And I know that's important to a lot of people that have allergies and sensitivities to different types of metal. So here's the bath bomb towards the end. It was pretty active, but they all eventually will slow down and stream little rows of color from it. I did eventually pick it up because I could tell it was just about done. Tried to break off the remaining bath bomb pieces, but it was very solid. I was not able to crumble it, so I did return it to the water and tried it again moments later. And then I was able to break it free. And you can see how dark the water was. And I did pick a ring with mine. And they do include a code, so you could go on their website and appraise it. Their appraisals do run kind of high, but again, they are sterling silver, so that's part of the reason. And I loved the stone I got. So the ring kind of has a high, unique setting, but the stone is a really pretty tealish green. I don't even know how to describe it. I guess it's more teal, but it's very, very pretty. And according to their website, this did appraise for $130, which again is on the high level, but very pretty ring. And I do have a couple more products for them, and probably, I'm sure we'll do more in the future. I do have a playlist below that I'll leave, and make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.